Marhaba ya jama'a, and welcome back to another video. Today we're learning some common expressions in spoken Levantine Arabic. Many are figurative, showing just how expressive and layered the Arabic language can be. As always, you can find the corresponding vocab sheet linked here and in the description box. It'll have all the Arabic text and translations and also some notes about the expressions. So let's jump right in. First up, we have everything's fine. كل شي تمام. كل شي means everything, and تمام means fine. كل شي تمام. It worked out. مشي الحال. So this is going to be one of those with a little bit more nuanced meaning. مشي literally means it walked, and الحال means the situation. So the literal meaning is the situation walked or moved. But when we translate it to English, it means more so the situation panned out or worked out. مشي الحال. In Arabic, there seems to be an infinite number of ways to say thank you. Arabic speakers tend to be super expressive, and they like to show their gratitude in very creative ways, and this is no exception. The literal meaning for this one is, may your hands be blessed or protected. So the masculine form is تسلم إيديك. Tislam means may it be protected or blessed, and idek means your hands. The feminine version is Tislam ideki. So once again, the masculine form is Tislam idek. The feminine form is Tislam ideki. Here is another expressive way to give thanks, and this one means more along the lines of thank you for your effort. The masculine form is Allah يعطيك العافية. Allah means God, يعطيك means give you, and العافية means health. So the literal meaning behind this is may God give you health, and its expression of thanks and acknowledgement of effort. The feminine version is Allah يعطيك العافية. So the masculine version again is Allah يعطيك العافية. The feminine version is Allah يعطيك العافية. This phrase is used to express deep appreciation, whether by saying please or thank you. The masculine form is Allah يخليك. Allah means God, and يخليك means keep you. So as in, may God keep you or keep you protected. The feminine version is Allah يخليك. So once again, the masculine form is Allah يخليك. The feminine form is Allah يخليك. Here is a meaningful way to say goodbye, and it's used pretty often. The literal translation is, may God be with you. The masculine form is, Allah ma'ak. Allah means God, and ma'ak means be with you. The feminine version is, Allah ma'aki. Allah ma'ak and Allah ma'aki. Here's an expressive way to say, please or I beg you. If you're talking to a male, you would say, دخيلك. If you're talking to a female, you would say دخيلك. This expression literally means I am under your protection. It comes from the word دخول, which is related to entering. So this word is rooted in cultural ideas of seeking protection or appealing for help. However, it can also be used in more casual ways, like please tell me what she said. Here's how to say with pleasure. على راسي. Ala means on, and rasi means my head. So the literal meaning is on my head, and it's an expression of deep respect. You say in response when someone asks you for a favor, especially an elder. It means you are so honored to do that favor for them. In fast colloquial speech, you might hear it shortened to arasi. Here's how to say take your time or as you wish. If you're addressing a male, you would say على راحتك. على means on, and راحتك means your comfort. So it's used to put another person at ease. If you're addressing a female, you would say على راحتك. So once again, to a male, you would say على راحتك. To a female, على راحتك. Here's how to say take it easy or to warn someone to be careful. To a male, you would say على مهلك. على means on and مهلك means your ease. To a female you would say على مهلك. So once again, for a male, على مهلك. For a female, على مهلك. Don't worry about it. If you're addressing a male, you would say ولا يهمك. To a female, you would say ولا يهمك. So once again, to a male, ولا يهمك. To a female, ولا يهمك. We're like family. إحنا أهل. The literal meaning is we are family, where إحنا means we are and أهل is family. However, it's often used to emphasize a strong relationship with others even if they are not family. For instance, when welcoming them into your home or if someone starts apologizing. إحنا أهل. Another way to welcome people is to say, make yourself at home. البيت بيتكن. البيت means the house, and بيتكن means your house. So the literal meaning is the house is your house, and it's a hospitable expression. It's the equivalent to make yourself at home in English, and it's used to warmly welcome guests. البيت بيتكن. Here's how to say you're so precious. To address a male, you would say تؤبرني. To a female, you would say تؤبريني. And the actual meaning of this might shock you because it literally means to bury me. And it's a dramatic way to express affection to someone, especially children. I think it's kind of like saying, you're so cute, I could eat you in English. So it means I love you so much, I can't imagine life without you, and you're so precious. تؤبرني, تؤبريني. Here's how to say, hey you. And be careful with this one because it can often be pretty disrespectful depending on the tone, but it can be said in a playful way to close friends or younger family members. So if you're addressing a male, you would say ولك. To a female, you would say ولك. So once again, the male version is ولك. The female version is ولك. Here's how to say, hey guys. If you're addressing a group of boys, you would say, يا شباب. And this can also be used for mixed gender groups. For a group of young ladies, you would say, يا صبايا. And this one has a meaning closer to, hey young ladies, but equivalently in English, it can also be used to have the meaning of, hey guys, to a group of ladies. So once again, we have يا شباب and يا صبايا. Here's how to casually say bro or sis. To a male, you would say خيو. To a female, you would say either خيتي or خيتا. And both of these words are derived from the word brother, خي, and sister, أخت. And they're both affectionate ways and casual ways to address a loved one, regardless of if they're actually your sibling. And I just want to note for the term sis, the more common pronunciation I hear is the second one, which is خيتا. خيو. خيتا. Here is a way to say wow or express amazement in a very culturally rooted way. And this is يخزي العين. And it literally means may the evil eye be shamed. يخزي means may it be shamed, and العين means the eye, but it usually refers to the evil eye. It's used to compliment someone while also protecting them from the evil eye. So once again, it's يخزي العين. Amazing or mind-blowing. بيطير العقل. بيطير means it flies or it makes fly, and العقل means the mind. So the literal meaning is it makes the mind fly, which is super equivalent to mind-blowing in English. بيطير العقل. Here's how to say, oh my goodness. يا لطيف. The actual meaning is, O gentle one, and it is one of the 99 names of God in Islam. In everyday speech, it has become a staple and it's used to express shock, fear, awe, and sympathy depending on the tone and situation. So it has a similar feeling to, oh my goodness, in English. So once again, it's Ya Latif. Here's how to wish someone good luck or tell them good luck dealing with that. To a male, you would say, Allah ya'eenak. Allah means God, and ya'eenak means help you. So the literal meaning is, may God help you. To a female, you would say, Allah ya'eenak. So the actual meaning is may God help you, and it has evolved in colloquial speech to express sympathy to others going through a difficult situation. It's used to wish them the best. So once again, for a male, you would say Allah ya'eenak. For a female, Allah ya'eenak. Here's a creative way to say calm down or be patient. If you're addressing a male, you would say طول بالك. And literally, this means lengthen your inner state or sense of calm. Because طول means lengthen and بالك means your inner state. So it's essentially telling someone to be patient and control their emotional state. Now, to a female, you would say طولي بالك. So once again, for a male, طول بالك. For a female, طولي بالك. Yet another way to say calm down is for a male, روق. For a female, روقي. And notice how that qaf sound is changing to a glottal stop or hamza sound, which is very common in many Levantine dialects. So once again, روق and روقي. Here's how to say ouch or In Arabic, it's akh. It's an onomatopoeic expression used to express pain or disappointment about a situation. So once again, it's akh. This is a descriptive way to say that someone is annoying. If you're talking about a male, you would say تقيل الدم. And تقيل means heavy, الدم means blood. So تقيل الدم means heavy-blooded, but it means that they are irritating or annoying. Now for a female, you would say تقيلة الدم. So for a male, تقيل الدم. Female, تقيلة الدم. And those are all the everyday expressions we're going to learn in Levantine Arabic today. So as you can see, a lot of these phrases are super expressive or have a deeper meaning to them. Don't forget to get your corresponding vocab sheet, like the video, comment down below, and subscribe for more learning content. And I'll see you in the next one. Ma salama. And if you're interested in getting one-on-one tutoring in a specific dialect, I highly recommend the platform italki. It's a game changer. They have an extensive network of online tutors who are native speakers in various Arabic dialects. You can set up your own schedule and personalize your goals for an affordable price. You can set up as many or as little lessons as you want. Use the link displayed here and you'll get $10 after your first purchase. I'll also have the link in the description box. If you do end up using it, leave a comment below describing your experience and what you learned.